February 24th, and I just wanted to show you guys some real life gardening. Um, I don't have a grow light system. This is my craft table because I am a crafter and I've got a couple jobs that are going to be put on hold because I need this table because these lamps that I use for my crafting have daylight bulbs in them. So I want you guys to see my Walla Walla onions. This side is the burpee side. This side is the botanical interest side. They're coming up slowly. I don't know why this one came out leggy already. It just came up that way. Hopefully it'll straighten out because I have the light really low to it. See how it's like about 1.5 inches. That's as close as I can get it without stacking up something else on here. I got a empty box and a ream of paper and the tray so that I can still bottom water them for a little while. And the burpee red burgundy onions, they're coming up. They're on the side. You can, whoops, you can see them coming through on the side. But I just wanted to show you guys, hey, you know what? Where there's a will, there's a way. You can garden. You don't have to have fancy equipment to do this. You just have to have the desire, some soil and some seeds, and a source of light. They did sit on a heat mat before, but you don't have to because it's warm enough in your house to be considered 50 degrees. No one, I don't think anybody keeps their house under 58 degrees. So you don't have to have a heat mat. You don't. It's just helps speed up the process. It gets that soil like summertime warm. But you don't have to have that. I invested in those last year to try them out and I liked them. But to start out, you just need the light. Oh, and there's a fan here for when they get a little taller and I can start that breeze on them to make them get stronger. You need those stems to be strengthened and sturdy so that they can survive being outside. All right, I think that's long enough. I'm trying to keep these under 3 minutes. You guys have a great day and keep it green. Come on, Walla Walla, do your thing.